My name is Jerry, and I am a mother, a grandmother, and I am a jazz singer. What brought me to Dr. Samadian's office was I have been wanting to get my teeth done for a very long time. I had some breakdowns over the years in terms of my dental situation and bridges and so forth, and I had missing teeth. After retiring, I wanted to get back into music after raising my grandchildren. I couldn't smile. I had to take photos turning my head in certain positions so that you couldn't see the gaps that I had. So I really wanted a nice smile again. I had gone to many resources to get consultations about my situation. I just didn't seem to be satisfied enough to get it done. And this was over a matter of years. One night I'm laying in bed, Instagram advertisement came across my phone. I was awake and scrolling through Instagram, and Dr. Samadian appeared. And this happened 3 nights in a row. And I just felt that energy from him that just drew me in. And so I made an appointment, went in to see him. And after seeing him and having 2 consultations, I decided this is the dentist that I want to go with. And I'm so glad that I did. The overall office environment was very pleasant. Everyone was really friendly and welcoming. And of course, Dr. Samadian, he was awesome. His energy, he was very welcoming, explained everything to me. He answered all of my questions without hesitation, and I just really felt comfortable. And when I asked for examples of his work, I was very happy. I just felt very comfortable with them. It just really felt like this was home. This is where I should be. I found the experience not to be that painful. Whatever the medication was that was given to me helped me relax, and I was very, very determined, so I was just gonna take it like a woman. My granddaughter came with me and sat through it with me. Dr. Samadian, his chair-side demeanor is just so wonderful and made me so comfortable that I just managed to get through the entire process seamlessly, actually. So the experience lasted for a few hours. I was very relaxed, actually. And after it was over, I went home and I rested. And I'm telling you, in a few weeks, I was like my old self, really. So on my surgery date, my biggest concern was, am I going to walk out of the dental office with teeth today? And I did. I was concerned about the pain, of course, but we got through it. I walked out of the office with a smile, and that is what I went in for. My biggest concern was for my smile to look natural. That's what I came out of the office with, and I am in the process. I haven't completed my process. I have a smile. When my friends see me, everyone is like, wow, you're smiling. What did you do? So I'm really happy with the results. I want that doctor's name. I didn't smile as much before. When I'm in a social environment, I don't have to think about it. When I'm taking photos, that was the main thing. Whenever you're over at friends' homes and you're having events and so forth, social events, everyone wants to take photos, especially if you haven't seen some of your friends for a while, for memories. And I would always stand in the back of the group, and I always had to position my face in a specific manner. So now I don't have to be concerned about that. I can just jump out front. I'm excited to get into my music more. Now I can get in front of a microphone in front of an audience and I can sing comfortably, and I don't have to worry about what I look like in my mouth. As a singer, your teeth are very important. It's part of your presentation. And when you're singing, people are looking into your mouth. You're conveying words, you're conveying a story, and they're looking directly at you. Your presentation is really important. And so now I feel really comfortable with that, and I can open my mouth and sing seamlessly. When I first went in to see Dr. Samadian, of course, I was concerned as to whether getting my teeth done would impair my speech, getting certain words out and so forth, like my S's. When I first got my teeth done, I did find just a little bit difficulty, but it corrected itself over time. And now I don't have that issue anymore. I've learned how to speak with my new teeth. And that's important to me because when you're singing, especially when you're scudding, it's really important to be able to convey the syllables clearly. And I'm able to do that. My style of singing is jazz, blues, and scatting. And it's really important for me to be able to deliver the story melodically and clearly. And I can do that with my new teeth, no problem. Some of my fans have said that I have a beautiful smile. I can even be in an elevator sometimes and someone's in the elevator with me and they'll comment, "You have a beautiful smile." My confidence has gone up 10 notches. I can actually smile and I can talk to people and not hide my mouth. I was doing that before. I was putting my hand in front of my mouth. I stay in the mirror more too, smiling, looking at my teeth, so I'm really happy. I feel good. I think my mouth looks good, so I can sing with confidence. The name of the song is Here's to Life. No complaints and no regrets. I do believe in chasing dreams and placing bets. And I have learned that all you give is all you get. So give it all you got. And here's to life and every joy that it brings. And here's to life for dreamers and their dreams.